In this video, we're going to be learning how to draw a Celtic knot and then turning it into a Repoussé artwork. We're going to be doing our simple drawing with a yellow colored pencil. Take your sheet, fold it in half, then open it, and we're going to be marking our 2 dots in the middle of those lines. We're going to be doing 2 to 3 simple loops. Make them wide. We don't want to do anything too detailed. We now want to trace with a regular pencil a line around that yellow mark that we first made. Try to keep the distance between the yellow line and your pencil outline similar. We're going to do it on the outside, and then we're going to do it on the top of the yellow line, keeping as best you can the same distance from the yellow line to your pencil. And then the last thing we're doing, we are outlining the inside of our loops. We then are going to be connecting our over and under bridges. It's okay to make mistakes. We can then erase them as needed. We are making a symmetrical Celtic knot. So for this, we are going to be folding our paper in half again. And notice those lines that we can see through the paper. We are going to be pushing those pencil lines to the other side of the page, and that will transfer our design exactly as the other side, which will give us a symmetrical drawing. If needed, you can then retrace on top of the pencil lines if they weren't too marked. We are now ready to start tracing our drawing onto the metal sheet. Tape your drawing on both sides of your paper onto the metal sheet. It is important to use a foam board on the bottom so that when we are pressing or chasing, our marks can be made easily. On the front side, we are going to be writing your name. After you're done writing your name, we are going to then trace on top of the lines with a pen. It can be a black pen, it can be any colored pen. Push as hard as you can without tearing the paper. We want to make a mark that transfers onto the metal sheet. We are then going to use the border of our paper to trace a straight line. This will be our frame where we're going to be folding our metal sheet. Finally, you're going to write the word front on one of the edges of your Repoussé sheet.